Hello everybody, this is Sanjay Mundada and I've got more than 8 years experience into digital marketing. Before even I begin to explain what SEO is, let us first understand how does a website make income which is purely based on information. An example, when I search in Google for the keyword, let's say PNR status, I find some lakhs of results getting loaded here. I understand about this government site whose duty is to provide free service to the passengers. So income might not be their motive. But how about these sites which belong to people like us? These are all private sites who also give the accurate status through a functionality. Now what is their benefit? Because neither the passenger pays nor any search engine would pay them. But if you closely observe each of these results, you would find how is that they are making income. So here we get, so this is your advertisement. So ads dominated by Google. The fact is more than 80% of the websites that have been registered are tied up with the Google AdSense to get the ads in their website and make income for the unique traffic that they get. We are also going to do the similar thing when it comes to SEO. It's only with the power of SEO that you can get your pages on the top rank for the desired keyword, also called as query. And when we do that, for the traffic that we get, we can make immense income. Now, how much income can be made through a website? It all depends upon the quantum of the traffic that you have got. When the traffic is huge, your income would also be in the same level. On the similar lines, I've also started a site called as lifecoach99.com, wherein you'll be able to see advertisements at various places. You'll be finding few ads getting loaded here on the top as well as in all these gaps. So here we are. So all these ads are coming through Google network, which keep on changing every few seconds. Now to get these ads, we require a free account in Google AdSense. Remember, there is no registration fees to apply for this AdSense account. And there is a technique through which even for a site which is just a day old, you will be able to apply for the AdSense account. So the ads should be surrounded everywhere throughout your content, and for the traffic that you get, Google is going to shower income to your account. Now let us say, how do we get the traffic for this? Because end of the day, what requires is unique visitors. Only when I have that, I'll be able to make huge income. Now instead of doing the marketing of my website through various methods like social websites and all that, which can only get me temporary set of visitors, and that is only through my friends and family network, it's better that I do SEO and get onto the top rank how these sites are doing it. An example, when I search for Ego Small SMS, for which I have done SEO, you will be able to find one of the page in my life course 99 on the top rank. Likewise, for every single topic, you will be able to do SEO. So this is where my page is. Now, how many ever people might click my site throughout the globe, I need not pay even a single rupee to Google. But remember, in every page of your site, there are ads coming through GDN, that is Google Display Network, for which rather Google is going to pay you the amount. So this is a way to get the visitors. So it's all possible only with the process of SEO. Alright. Now, is this the only way to make income? No. There are several genuine ways to make income online. When I search for a keyword make money online in Google, I assure you that more than 99% are fraud ways to make income. But what we are learning through this training is all the genuine ways of making income from companies like Google, Yahoo, Bing, or affiliate program. These are all the sites which are going to pay you, where the payment is always on time. To check my earnings, I can always go to google.com/AdSense. So this is an account associated for the ads in your website. Day by day you can log in and you can check what your earnings have been. But the payments come only once a month. You got to get minimum $100 in your AdSense account for the payment to get released. However, even if it is less than that, the amount gets carry forwarded. So let me just check the earnings for my Life Coach 99. This is one of the AdSense account that I have. When I go through the performance report, I can see my day-to-day visitors. Let me check since all time what has my income been for each day in terms of Indian rupees. So this has been the story of Life Course 99. So the day-to-day visitors what I've got and the day-to-day income in rupees. As I've told you, your income is proportional to the number of visitors that you get. Higher the visitors, better is the income you have. There have been days where I've got even more than 1,000 visitors. And the income has also been in the same range. Alright. So end of the day, this is what the average figures point, which says that on an average I'm getting around 850 visitors for my site. My daily average income is around 818 rupees. And this is a total which says that I've got 15,50,000 unique visitors to Life Coach 99, for which my total income has been over 2 lakh rupees. So here you can see that this whole income is only for a single site, which is Life Coach 99. As such, I maintain around 12 websites. More the number of sites you maintain, the better is the income that you get. There are sites who get lakhs of visitors every day. The income is also in the same range. So remember, your income is directly proportional to the quantum of visitors, right? Now there's a second way also to make income, which is termed as affiliate program. You might not have heard about this word, but most of the e-commerce websites like Flipkart, Snapdeal have got an affiliate account in them. Let's talk about your Flipkart. And the fact remains that the income through affiliate program is much higher than even your Google AdSense. So here you need to create a free account, same like the Google AdSense. But when you place the ads in your website or the affiliate links in your site, whatever the sales the site gets through your website, it's going to pay you the commission which is stated in the table. This is also one of the beautiful ways to make income. And just with the power of SEO, it would be very easy for you to rank on top for such kind of topics where there is a plenty of chance of a person getting converted. It has been found through research that a coupon based site really does well for the affiliate programs. This is the site I've got on coupon based, couponsjug.com. Now to drive sales, to get the clicks on my affiliate links, what I need to do is rank on top in the search engines for such kind of topics where a potential click can get converted to conversion. So what I've been doing is, let's take a topic like Flipkart coupons for hard disk. As I search for that, each of these sites are making income in the similar way how I am making income. So when users would click generally the top listed sites, one of which is mine, they would find various links through which they can get a discount. So probably for the hard disk, they will have to click here, which leads to Flipkart, but that is under my affiliate ID. Flipkart keeps tracking this affiliate ID to understand who has driven the click for him. So when the users click through, they also get a discount and you are also paid a commission according to the table which I have shown you previously. So likewise, there are various affiliate programs that I've put into my website, all of which you can see here. And it's not only that, it is even Google which is ready to pay you. So you can have a double income for your site. One is through this Google ads and other is through these affiliate links. So Flipkart is an example what I've talked about an Indian program, but the fact is there's a program called as CJ, which is an international affiliate program where more than 2,800 programs have been registered. It's a kind of third party website which has tied up with various programs like Flipkart. So instead of opening an account in each of these 2,800 plus sites, just one account in CJ would create a registration in each of those sites. The best part is that what you get paid here is in dollars and pounds. So let us see what my income has been in CJ. Even here I have registered for around 8 of such programs, most of which are based on domains and hostings. And I have made considerable income working just few hours a week. If you are totally dedicated on this, then there is no limit on the income. This has been my income yesterday, for which I've got 2 sales. Around 30 clicks on that have come, but only 2 got converted. However, this is the story which says that I've got $1.57 of commission. I can see through the earnings of this month, it's around $84. And when I click here, I can see what my recent payments have been. So to which bank account it was paid, what was the account holder's name, all these details we'll need to give it while we are creating an account in CJ. All these accounts, remember, are free. You are not paying anyone. In fact, they pay you for the sales that you are getting there. Recently I've got around some $111 of commission which was paid on 19th of April. This has been my payment history. So if you observe it, right since the month of August 2014, I made considerable dollars. Fact is that even since the month of March, my income has been on the same lines, but it's just because of the tax benefits. Since the financial year, I have opened multiple accounts in CJ with my family members and all that, and just divided the income to get better tax benefits. And let me tell you, this is much easier program compared to your even AdSense. What I mean to say is that even with limited traffic, you can make considerable income when it comes to affiliate program. This third way of making income, that is create your own e-commerce website. I've got a site called as shoppingbroker.in. We are able to create an e-commerce site without any technical skills, without the use of code. We are going to learn about Blogger and WordPress, where there are predefined design for various types of websites that you wish to have. And it has got all the features what a general big e-commerce sites have got these days. Example, let's say Samsung Galaxy S7. And moreover, I assure you that I'll be giving you the sources where you can sell this product for the lowest price possible. We have got all the features what a big e-commerce site has got, like the zooming effect, the side view, the top view. We have got online payment option. We have got the video description of the product. So when any user would come and select the number of pieces here, go for add to cart. There's an automatic calculation for the prices. We have a provision for the discount codes. So once that the user fills this address, automatically a payment option would open up where a user is going to pay through these various sources, but amount would be coming to a single bank account that you have associated. So right from the scratch, how to create a site like this, how do we get these products for the lowest price, and how do we have this payment set up, and how do we deliver this product, all this is part of the training. And e-commerce industry nowadays in India is doing really well. There's a fourth model through which we can make income, and that is your business promotion site. An example, when I go to Google and I search for a query, let's say AIX training in Hyderabad. Though I do not even know what AIX stands for, but we have the techniques. How do we get our pages on the top rank as fast as possible? So the site what you're able to see on the top is mine. So you can also create a similar based websites and make income for the business listings. You can sell the positions of your website for the rank 1, rank 2, rank 3, rank 4, and for each of these positions you can sell it as a membership to have an amount every month on month. The higher they pay, the better is the rank we give them, but the whole control is in our hands. So this is a mutual benefit what you have got. You get income for the site what you have on the top, and whoever has listed their business into your website, they also have a business promotion, because there are plenty of people who search, and eventually the sites which rank on top get more clicks. So a better business for them and a better income for you. Most importantly, it's a recurring income what you get. Okay, and there are multiple clients which are paying you for the same site that you have got. So all this is what we are going to cover in the training. This is a syllabus wherein I cover basic plus advanced SEO. Training also includes SEM and SMO, that is social media optimization. We are also going to learn about Blogger and WordPress, which are the two main softwares, quite SEO friendly as well as user friendly, to design and maintain your website with ease. Later we are also going to talk about how to make money from YouTube. We are also going to learn about the AdSense and the affiliate program. So all this is the constituent of your course. There's something called as Google Analytics, which is again part of SEO itself, and Google Webmaster Tools. The course runs through 35 days, that is 5 weeks. We have batches Monday to Saturday. And this course does not require any prerequisite. That means you do not require any prior knowledge to do SEO or the digital marketing or all these courses what I've told you. Remember, there is least use of code. Most of our work is kind of cut, copy, paste and wizard based system. After the course, you have got plenty of money making opportunities. You can make income as a private blogger. You can work as a freelancer. If you do a little research in Google, you'll find out that there is plenty of scope to work as a freelancer. Example, there's a site called as upwork.com. Try to do research and find out how many Indians are making income every hour. It's all in dollars. You can also establish your career in digital marketing. In the last few years, we have seen a significant growth into digital marketing, and the future also seems to be very, very bright.